to a foreigner in the Philippines. Just arrived from Cebu with Barre, and then before we going home, we just decided to stop by in this new restaurant here in Tape. It's first time. There's really open. It's Duck and Dine restaurant via to the Salamat. Yeah, it's just I think 5 minutes drive from, or 4 minutes drive from the port. And here it's nice set up. We're gonna go here. So this is the menu, the main course here. They got grilled tilapia, lemon butter sauce, which is cheaper, you know, compare because there's only one restaurant here, which is nice one. Their price for the seafoods platter is 400, 300, 300. It's quite expensive. Oh, Duck and Dine restaurant. How about I just have fish? Grilled tilapia, grilled tuna panga. Yeah, and their setup here is very nice. Look at that. They're selling. And the other one is the crab trap.
Okay.
That's just for the crab. But what they do is they made it into the design for their lightning. And it's still essence of Valentine's Day because of that heart. Look at that, very nice. And they got fountain over there. Yeah, and that's their order of Terrence and Barre. Terrence got lomi, which you seen.
And that was my noodle.
It looks delicious. But
what's that?
Yeah, it's noodle, lomi, noodles.
Okay.
Yeah. And they got, that's their vegetarian egg there. And that's pork sisig. And that's the rice. Quite small. But it's delicious. Seems delicious. And look at that, how they...
First I was going to say that it was green for the men and pink for the ladies. And a real... So we're going to do it this one?
That's how we do our lobster big thing. We eat lobster.
You pray, darling.
Till the kids come back? Or when?
Yeah. Okay, it's okay. They're in the CR.
Dear Lord, thank you for having given us the pleasure of the guest, for all of the physical food, and for the time to come in which you will meet challenges with us. So we are grateful to you.
Amen. Yeah, we're still waiting our order. Yeah, it's fine. It's good there.
Oh, we need another rice.
And that's my order. Oh my god.
Oh, this is not a vegetarian one for you.
No, it's panga. It's tuna panga. It's tuna. Grilled tuna. Yeah.
Really?
It's nice. Looks delicious. Look at that. Yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day and God bless.